B-Town hotties wearing similar outfits on different occasions is not new. We too have spotted a few wearing similar outfits but at different events. We have seen Deepika, Sonam, Kareena, Dia and others wearing dresses that look identical. But our fashion birdie has noticed something. Leggy-less Deepika Padukone is on cloud 9 these days. We all know why. Actually, this beauty has been taking inspiration from top Hollywood actresses when it comes to sporting beautiful dresses during award functions, promotional events, etc. We present to you a few pictures of Deepika's outfits that are similar to those worn by Hollywood actresses. Deepika Padukone flaunted the same long orange gown as Australian singer Kylie Minogue. Seems like Dippy is a huge fan of Kylie, so much so that she was literally aping her. Kate Hudson won the Golden Globe Award in 2001 and this sultry actress wore a long black gown. The same long black gown was worn by Deepika at the Screen Awards 2014 which were held recently. But anyway, Deepika looked stunning in this attire. Dominican-American actress Zoe Saldana and Deepika Padukone both flaunted similar dresses at different events a few years back. Dippy, as usual, is looking sizzling in the see-through dress, but unfortunately, it's a copied one. Deepika's golden skin fit gown at the recently held 59th Idea Filmfare Awards was one of the talked about news. But do you know, a few days back, before the award function, English model and socialite Lady Victoria Harvey had worn the same gown but in black color? Oh come on Dips, don't copy! During the Vogue Beauty Awards 2012, Deepika again flaunted a sparkling golden and black dress which was similar to that of Ashley Benson. But hey, Deepika looked really hot. The American actress Julie Mary Berman had worn a red-hot lacy gown during the 40th Emmy Awards, whereas this time our leggy-less who wore the similar outfit at the GQ Awards failed in copying her and Dippy's hairstyle didn't go with the attire at all. The American actress, singer Jennifer Lopez looked absolutely sexy at the red carpet for 2012 Academy Awards in a shimmery symmetrical long gown. But Deepika didn't leave a chance here again. She wore a similar shimmery gown at the Zee Cine Awards that were held recently. Well, we have to say one thing, Deepika had turned a designer last year for a well-known brand. Come on Dippy, you are stylish and classy in your own way. You don't need to copy others.